रंग बरसे भीगे चुनर वाली रंग बरसे। आप सुंदर दिखते हो तो बहुत लोग सुंदर दिखते हैं, आप हॉट दिखते हो बहुत लोग हॉट दिखते हैं, आप रील्स अच्छी बनाते हो बहुत लोग रील्स अच्छी बनाते हैं। दैट इज़ नॉट एक्टिंग, यू हैव टू वर्क ऑन योर क्राफ्ट। तो जब मैं भी इंडस्ट्री में आई थी तो आई ऑल्सो फेस्ड अ लॉट ऑफ क्रिटिसिज्म। लाइक आई लव कंस्ट्रक्टिव क्रिटिसिज्म। अगर आप मुझे बोलोगे ना आई थिंक दिस इज समथिंग यू वुड हैव डन बेटर, आई विल वैल्यू यू बिकॉज यू आर गिविंग मी कंस्ट्रक्टिव क्रिटिसिज्म। और जो फालतू में बोलते हैं ना, देन यू नीड टू बी एबल टू डिफरेंशिएट इन योर हेड कि दिस शुडंट गेट टू मी एंड दिस कैन गेट टू मी। उसमें भी हाँ, बिकॉज वी आर ह्यूमन, इफ़ पीपल से समथिंग इट माइट अफेक्ट यू। एज आई सेड 5-6 साल पहले मुझे फ़र्क पड़ता था लोग क्या बोलते हैं, अगर कुछ वो ज़बरदस्ती ख़राब बोलने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं। River Konda is a pink.
He's a pink?
Because he's a softie. He's a softie at heart and he's probably one of the only ones who can handle pink as a color very well.
Khanna?
Hello, Rudrani. Thank you
so much.
Thank you for having me. Yes.
Really, because
One of my favorites.
one of your favorites,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
And what's not to love about Holi?
The colors, the people, all the families coming together to play Holi with the nicer colors.
Nicer
The
colours.
herbal colors.
Are absolutely the colors in front of you are environment friendly. Number one, are all so putting that out here, everybody. But of course, like I said, खेलती थी जब आप थोड़ा time निकाल के all that time now.
Okay, so I always used to play Holi. मैं बचपन से मुझे होली और दिवाली बहुत ही पसंद है। होली स्पेसिफिकली बिकॉज हम सब दोस्त साथ में मिलते थे। यू नो मेरी फैमिलीज आती थी, मेरी एक बुआ रहती है रुड़की में, तो हम सब रुड़की जाते थे होली खेलने के लिए। बट मैं अभी भी खेलती हूँ बिकॉज आई थिंक यू ऑलवेज मेक टाइम फॉर थिंग्स दैट मैटर। तो हमेशा जब कैलेंडर होता है तो मुझे पता है होली आ रही है या दिवाली आ रही है और मैं बोलती हूँ इसको खाली करो, मुझे जाना है। बिकॉज आई वॉन्ट टू स्पेंड टाइम विद फैमिली बिकॉज लाइफ इज टू शॉर्ट एंड जस्ट पास यू लाइक दैट एंड आई डोंट वांट टू मिस दोज मोमेंट्स। यू नो मैं अभी भी घर ही जा रही हूँ आप ये सब करके। तो आई थिंक दीज फेस्टिवल्स होल्ड अ लॉट ऑफ इम्पोर्टेंस इन माई लाइफ एंड इन माई फैमिली, फॉर माई फैमिली।
For the family.
तो मैं हैदराबाद में रहती हूँ और वहाँ पे मेरे पेरेंट्स हैं, मेरे पेरेंट्स का एक सर्कल है वहाँ पे, सोशल सर्कल है। मेरा भाई आ रहा है दिल्ली से, माई नेफ्यू इज़ कमिंग एंड ही इज़ वेरी एक्साइटेड बिकॉज ही इज़ लाइक वो आई वांट टू प्ले होली विद यू। सो मैंने कलर्स वलर्स सब मंगा के रखे हैं एंड यू नो वो होली की गन्स होती हैं वो रखा हुआ है। सो इट्स जस्ट गोना बी अ गेट टुगेदर विद ऑल ऑफ देम एंड प्लेइंग होली इन माई छत। Yeah, that's the plan.
So, because you all take sides working on your eat right? कि भाई, you know that you are looking quite okay. Even if you play गंदी वाली होली.
Yeah.
So I want to know what your holy prep is because there has to be one.
देखो होली प्रेप के लिए मैं सिर्फ बालों में तेल लगाती हूँ
हाँ.
और बहुत ही थोड़ा सा तेल फेस पे भी लगाती हूँ, मतलब ज़्यादा नहीं बिकॉज यू नो अदरवाइज इट क्लॉग योर पोर्स। तो बहुत थोड़ा सा तेल लगाती हूँ, वही मेरी प्रेप है। बॉडी पे तेल लगाती हूँ बिकॉज आई नो कि जैसा भी कलर हो वो तेल लगाने से निकल जाता है। इट्स सिंपल ऑयल, ज़्यादा कुछ एक्स्ट्रा वेगेट नहीं है, या नथिंग फैंसी, जस्ट बेसिक कोकोनट ऑयल, बेसिक ही काम आती है।
But I love it. Like I said, हम लोग और बातें करने वाले, but we have some lovely colors in front of us, and I want to know
Yes, and
what's
my
one of your
eyes.
favorite colors that you feel truly kind of signifies you.
I love colors. मेरे लिए बहुत मुश्किल होगा to pick one color, but I think I just strongly get connected to yellow a lot. I don't know why. I don't know if it's bright or it's positive. I don't know. I mean, I like all colors, but I think I get attracted to yellow a lot.
Yeah.
हाँ मतलब ऐसा नहीं है, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है। पुराना कोई भी कपड़ा जो गंदा हो जाए और दुख ना हो वो कपड़ा पहन लो।
Ladies and gentlemen, the point to note here is हमारी तरफ your favorite celebrity, particularly Rashi.
Yes. गंदे पुराने कपड़े जिसमें कोई टेंशन ना हो कि वो कितना भी गंदा हो जाए। Exactly.
They are stylish enough.
हाँ वही।
But Yodha was released and you know you all have been all over the country promoting it. So tell me how the feeling right now is. Feeling of relief, feeling of happiness तो होगा ही.
देखिए मैं आई मीन ऑब्वियसली पहली बार मुझे ऐसा लगा जैसे मैंने बहुत एक्सटेंसिव प्रमोशंस करी नॉर्थ में, क्योंकि साउथ में तो ऑफ कोर्स मुझे लोग जानते हैं पर नॉर्थ में शायद इतने नहीं जानते, ऐसा लगा मुझे। लेकिन जब मैं कॉलेज प्रमोशंस पे गई एंड दे ऑल न्यू हु आई वाज, तो इट वाज वेरी सरियल बिकॉज आई वाज लाइक अच्छा मुझे जानते हैं। मतलब हाँ कुछ लोगों ने फर्जी देखा है, मुझे नहीं पता कितने लोगों ने देखा है, बट मुझे हमेशा डाउट था कि पता नहीं नॉर्थ ऑडियंस में डू दे नो मी, डू दे नॉट नो मी। लेकिन जब मैं कॉलेजेस में गई और मैं बहुत लोगों से मिली तो आई रियलाइज कि हाँ नॉर्थ में भी जानते हैं। तो यू नो दैट वाज अ वेरी नाइस फीलिंग बिकॉज दैट्स व्हाट वी ऑल लुक फॉर, यू नो द लव दैट कम्स फ्रॉम द ऑडियंस एंड वो मुझे बहुत मिला जब हम प्रमोट कर रहे थे। मूवी के बाद भी मुझे बहुत मैसेजेस आए जो मेरा किरदार है, जो प्रियमवदा का किरदार है, जो मैं हमेशा से बनना चाहती थी। एक्चुअली मैंने एक काफ़ी बार बोला कि मुझे IAS बनना था, तो वैसे एक जोन में में मैंने एक कैरेक्टर प्ले किया एंड मेरा आई थिंक हर फिल्म के साथ मेरे अंदर यही होता है कि आई शुडंट डिसअपॉइंट माई ऑडियंस, आई शुडंट डिसअपॉइंट पीपल वेयर दे आर लाइक ये क्यों किया, ये अच्छा नहीं था, यू नो that's not what I want to hear because then I'll really have to re-look at what I've been doing. तो जब सुनने में आता है हाँ आपने बहुत अच्छा किया, बहुत अच्छी लगी, तो then I'm like sorted. Then you know that then you walk away from it and now you move on to the next thing.
Really having fun and to let go. You know, I know that a lot of you, and particularly you, take that amount of time and appreciate the fans who've kind of been there for you all the time,
Yeah,
isn't it?
yeah.
It's a tricky.
देखिए आप किसी भी मूड में हो उससे फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता, जब आपको कोई दिखते हैं और वो एक्साइटेड हो जाते हैं, दे वांट अ सेल्फी और दे वांट पिक्चर्स विद यू, आई डोंट नो इफ इट्स राइट टू शन देम और यू नो नो मैटर व्हाट मूड यू आर इन बिकॉज दैट्स द प्रोफेशन यू चोज. अभी वो आपको पसंद करते हैं तो वो चाहेंगे कि वो फ़ोटो ले पाएँ. तो मैं हमेशा जितनी कोशिश मेरी होती है मैं दे पाती हूँ, कभी कभी मैं नहीं भी दे पाती एंड यू नो दैट आई फील वेरी सॉरी कि मैं दे नहीं पाई, लेकिन जितनी मेरी कोशिश होती है मैं you know because we are because they are,
Yeah.
and we're nothing without them.
So true.
तो मैं पूरी कोशिश करती हूँ कि सबको खुश रखूँ.
And I feel like the industry spends too much time in kind of pitting two people against each other.
I think firstly it's about the energy that you bring in,
Yeah.
the kind of energy that you bring into a room. And I've always been very secure as an individual, as an actor, and I feel like all of us are actors and we're there for a purpose for the film. So I never see like, oh, there is a competition coming from my male actor, or there's a competition coming from a female co-actor. I always see it as a collaboration and not like a competition. You know, so even when I'm promoting, I feel like it works for everybody. You know, if it does well. So there is no इसका अच्छा है या मेरा अच्छा, that thought never comes to me because अगर मैं 5 मिनट के लिए भी हूँ या 10 मिनट के लिए भी हूँ, I'll try to give that my best and leave it up to the audience to say what they have to say. But I think it's very immature to sort of compete. It's nicer when you're all in a collaboration and trying to work towards making the film work. I think women need to support women more than anything else. It's not about the men really, it's about women supporting women. That's how we rise in life. Yeah.
It's very difficult from at the time when you all started to get those kind of roles, to have a balance between, okay, I'll do the glamour masala roles, but I will also do substantial. You kind of really, I think, you have to fight for those roles. It doesn't come easy.
देखिए initially when I started out तो मेरे लिए भी आसान नहीं था. मेरे को सिर्फ कमर्शियल फिल्म्स मिलती थी जहाँ पे there weren't too many strong roles for women. And आप करने के लिए उनको करते हो because you have to be in the limelight because then the audience will forget you. That's how it is. And I think commercially because I became stronger eventually is when I could say अच्छा अभी मुझे I want to move out of this. But तब भी if you want to move out, a lot of people will still not want to take you in a performance oriented thing because they've never seen you, they've seen you only in commercial. तो हमको बॉक्स करते हैं बहुत.
बिल्कुल.
That this is your box, this is your box, and I was like, I want to get out of this box.
Love that.
तो आई रिमेंबर जब पहली बार आई थिंक ये मेरी फर्स्ट फिल्म में इनफैक्ट तेलुगु में ऊहलू गुसगुसलाडे आई थी, वो बहुत अच्छी उसको रिसेप्शन मिली थी. उसके बाद फिर दैट होल कमर्शियल थिंग स्टार्टेड एंड देन देयर वाज दिस फिल्म कॉल्ड तोली प्रेमा दैट ब्रोक everything. Like it was commercial and it was content. So that really helped me move forward where people started seeing me like an actor. और ये भी मैं बोलना चाहूँगी कि बहुत बार हम चाहते हैं हम कुछ तरह के रोल्स करें बट हमें वो मिलेंगे नहीं. Because it's very difficult to break that image. Then you have to meet people and say, listen, I'm really interested. Okay, let me audition for it. And I'm okay auditioning. उतना आपको पता चल जाता है आप कितने पानी में हो. Either you suck at it, then you need to work on your craft.
That's true.
You know, or people think, okay, you're good at it, let's take her. Like Rudra के लिए जब मेरे पास Rudra आया था, it was completely a very different character, and I was like, let me audition for it. You see, they liked the audition, they gave me the role. For Farzi, I think Farzi cemented my position as an actor more than anything else, which was what I really wanted in life.
Yeah.
कि यार चलो अच्छे सब दिखते हैं, great. Like you know, that's the need of the profession probably to look a certain way, which is great. But अभी इससे आगे क्या? I just don't want to be like another face in the industry. You know, there has to be some respect I get. मुझे लगता था कि as an actor I want that respect, and I felt like I felt validated post Farzi. Thank you. I think my decisions also as an actor don't stem from fear. It's not like अरे मुझे काम नहीं आ रहा, oh my god मैं क्या करूँगी, वो कभी नहीं था मेरी लाइफ में. I think because मैं बहुत ही secure हूँ as a person, तो मुझे लगता है यार जो आना है वो आएगा ही. You know, I don't believe in fighting anymore for anything. I let life flow. I wasn't like that probably 5 years ago. But today I'm very like, okay, let it flow. Let's see what life has in store for me without me trying really hard or fighting for anything.
But I feel like this security, it takes some time because we are in an industry.
Yes.
Navigating through all of that and then kind of making sure that you hold a place that is powerful enough to make the decisions is what the victory is.
I think when you know yourself and you don't depend on people to tell you who you are is half the battle won in life. So I know who I am. I know where I'm heading. I know my moral grounds today. I know what is right and wrong for me, and I will not let anyone else dictate that for me. Like that's what social media does. Like you project a certain thing. Of course, you can't blame them. Also, there is projection. There is reality. Like and they'll constantly keep judging you for who you are. But if you know yourself, you'll not be affected by that negativity.
Yeah.
And I feel like there's this white ball around me where I feel like, okay, nothing can come closer. Okay, this is how, okay, now go. Like, you know, because, and that also comes from the fact that I meditate in life, like every day. That's like a ritual that I do 20 minutes, 30 minutes, and it really helps. And eventually, maybe I will want to help people, you know, understand how it can really change your life, especially in today's times when. So there's a friend of mine, unka ek bhai hai, who's in college. And she was telling me that, you know, he's on anxiety pills and the college, his friends are on anxiety pills, and that was an eye opener for me because I was like, यार college में मतलब मैं college में थी तो हम तो सिर्फ पढ़ाई के बारे में उसी की टेंशन होती थी हमको, अच्छा नंबर लाने हैं या you know ये ड्रामा क्लब में जाना है, डांस क्लब में, that was our thing. But to be on anxiety pills कि तू कितनी ले रही है और मैं कितनी ले रही हूँ is it's really gone crazy. I feel like it's reached that extent where I feel like people need help. I feel like kids need help. And they need to understand that social media is just projection and reality is completely different.
And feel stronger, but I think
जब हम कॉलेज में होते हैं तो हमें सिर्फ वैलिडेशन चाहिए होती है. अब हम कैसे दिखते हैं, हम क्या कर रहे हैं. Or even when we grow up and we enter a profession, whichever profession it is, we need validation from people about how good we are. And that's necessary क्योंकि you have to grow in life, so you need that validation. तो जब मैंने initially, जब मैं भी industry में आई थी तो I also faced a lot of criticism. Like, I love constructive criticism. अगर आप मुझे बोलोगे ना, I think this is something you could have done better, I will value you because you're giving me constructive criticism. और जो फालतू में बोलते हैं ना, then you need to be able to differentiate in your head कि this shouldn't get to me and this can get to me. उसमें भी हाँ, because we are human, if people say something it might affect you. As I said, 5-6 साल पहले मुझे फ़र्क पड़ता था लोग क्या बोलते हैं, अगर कुछ वो ज़बरदस्ती ख़राब बोलने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, लेकिन अब मुझे उनके लिए थोड़ा बुरा लगता है because I know they are coming from pain. And social media is probably a place for them where they can just express without being judged. So they are just expressing. शायद वो real life में नहीं कर पा रहे. So you know, it doesn't come from, oh my god, इसने मुझे कैसे बोल दिया. I'm like, अच्छा, maybe this person is suffering themselves. That's an understanding I've come to.
No, I think it's wonderfully put. Also because you, like you really rightly said about the way social media is, you know, impacts people and impacts everybody else and the way you look at it. But the problem here is that you will get judged on that as well. We're talking about how actors have gone through so many judgments and we don't get the kind of roles. You make a statement like that and they say that, oh, you're trying to target somebody. It became like an issue for you. How do you deal with those moments? Because I feel like it's unfair.
I think it depends on how big a problem is. If you need to address it or if you don't need to address it.
Sure.
Mostly you don't really need to address it because it dies down. Things die down very quickly. Like, अच्छा ठीक है, अभी this is for 2 days. Something else will come that will get picked up.
True.
But if it's a long-term thing that's been, I think it's unfair on everybody. Like on all the actors who face it.
Yeah.
So then you need to take a stand and be like, buddy, now listen. You know.
Yeah.
And then I don't care about judgments because I have told you what I felt. So if it's a tiny thing, you let it go. But if it's something really impactful and impacting your mental health, then talk about it. And mostly I don't let it come to that phase where it affects me to react. So it's difficult to get a reaction from me in most things.
On Sabarmati report.
Yes.
That is exciting and
Yes.
With Vikrant.
The name in itself says a lot.
Of course.
And the name in itself is an indication enough that I can't talk too much about it till you
I saw
see
some pictures.
Yes,
Yeah.
so we've just wrapped up and the teaser is going to be releasing on 29th is what I've heard. But let's see, I've seen it, it looks pretty nice and it's amazing today that when I look back about the kind of characters that I've been getting, I've been very lucky to get, and the character that I play in Sabarmati is also completely different from what I've done before. So I know that my audience is going to like it and they are going to like the film in general because of the way we have made it. And that's all I can say about Sabarmati.
What can you tell us is where I'm going to keep it open-ended and let you go.
I think I can just tell you that I don't know what's going to happen in Farsi 2.
Crazy, a little
Yes,
bit more.
because I spoke to Raj sir and I said, what are you thinking? Like, what are you doing? Are you writing it? What are you doing? And he's like, so next year beginning is what he said, they'll start filming Farsi 2.
Sure.
And there are a lot of possibilities in their head about where we'll take it from, because the ending was quite open-ended.
Sure.
So I am as clueless as the audience about where it's going to go. But I'm really excited that it's happening, and it will happen next year. Yeah.
Which sounds fantastic.
Yes, thank you.
Honestly, to say, even the kind of, like, I think the kind of roles that you get in Hindi
Yes.
has also been really, really starting, even if you go back to Rudra, and very, very choosy in the kind of roles that you get here as this. I will have to put my head.
I think for me, जब मैं Tamil और Telugu films कर रही थी, I was happy doing what I was doing there also. Of course, there was an actor in me where I was like, कि अभी और चाहिए. But if I say that and if I just sit and I don't do anything about it, then मुझे commercial भी नहीं मिलेगा, you know. But I was very sure कि हिंदी में अगर मैं जा रही हूँ, तो कुछ धमाकेदार होना चाहिए, नहीं तो मैं जाऊँगी नहीं. That I was very sure of. So Farzi was offered first to me. Rudra came later. So जब Farzi का call आया, it was a no-brainer, and I was like, okay, now this is what I want to do. I'll put everything else behind to make this happen, and and then it happened, and you know what happened after that.
But I love it. I think patience pays off. In your case, it did, right?
It does.
Wonderfully.
Yes. I think that they should just work on their craft, because आप सुंदर दिखते हो तो बहुत लोग सुंदर दिखते हैं, आप हॉट दिखते हो बहुत लोग हॉट दिखते हैं, आप रील्स अच्छी बनाते हो बहुत लोग रील्स अच्छी बनाते हैं. That is not acting. You have to work on your craft and leave the rest to God, because I believe in God a lot. So I feel like you have to be patient and you have to work on your craft. There is no other way. Just become the best at what you do and you will succeed.
It's fantastic advice. Okay, here are some fun and some quick questions.
Yes.
And post that, we're going to have some fun with the colors.
I suck at rapids, but okay, let's. Oh my God. So the recent I don't know if it's a nickname, but they started calling me Lady Yodha, which I really enjoy. That's not funny, but I really enjoy it. Yeah.
It's kind of cool.
Yes.
Isn't it?
Yes. Funny, embarrassing. So there was a fan who said that if I met her, I would marry her. Like it was one of the reviews, and I was like, okay, buddy, you're too young, but okay.
Everybody's
Kindness.
listening in very sorry.
Kindness.
Kindness?
Just be kind, yeah.
That's as
the way.
simple as that. See?
Yeah.
And people have so much to do.
Very.
Extremely underrated,
Yes.
I feel.
Yes. I have no ideas anymore. I'm just like, I'd love to go on a date. That's all I can
It's
say.
been a while.
Yeah.
Single and not dated at all for a while is the
Yeah,
situation.
yeah.
Have people said
I don't know why it's difficult. People think, I've heard that before, that
Yeah?
I'm very they're scared, or I don't know what it is.
Intimidating
But,
is
yeah,
the-
I'm not intimidating. I don't think so, but okay, if they are, then I can't help it. But I'm
No.
not.
I don't think you are at all. And I feel like you'll have to gather the courage and ask her,
Yes.
please
Yes.
be kind.
So courage and kindness.
Courage and
Kind. A misconception. I don't think they know me enough to have a misconception about me.
But you know, like it's easy for them to have and when they don't know actors.
Very, it's so easy for her. Oh, this must be so easy for her. That's what I think that they perceive. But yeah, I put in a lot of hours into this.
She does.
Yeah.
And now within the country,
Yes,
outside the
I'm
country.
always on a flight. Yeah.
It's not
Okay.
easy. You
Yes.
pretty much every industry now.
Yes.
So
Yes.
not easy at all. Okay.
Persistence and never losing hope.
Which is great. Okay.
Done.
So you obviously worked with a lot of mostly all leading men and women in the Indian film industry. You'll have to associate a color.
Okay.
Tell them why you chose that, and also tell something that the.
I'll try.
Okay, let's go.
Okay.
First, we're gonna start with Vijay Sethupathi.
Oh, okay, wonderful. Okay, red.
Red.
Yes.
Okay. If you wanna use some, you can.
I
You're making a pattern here as well.
This
again
is
with this.
a little slightly. This is a little pinker red. I mean, it's pink and red.
Okay.
But red because he's all heart.
Oh.
So, yeah.
What is the world? What is it? What the world doesn't know about Vijay Sethupathi?
That he is who he is and he doesn't pretend to be a certain way.
That is pretty true.
Yeah.
I'm trying to give some help, but I don't know how much I will.
Yeah.
But okay, so that's your thing for Vijay Sethupathi. What
Yes.
about Vijay Deverakonda?
Deverakonda is a pink
He's a pink.
because he's a softie. He's a softie at heart and he's probably one of the only ones who can handle pink as a color very well. Yeah.
That's kind of. You're pretty good at this. You realize that.
And I try to make a design. Okay.
Okay, that's okay. I think you're killing it.
Okay, wonderful.
All right. You work with Ravi Teja. How would you?
Teja, it has to be. It has to be all colors because he's like a mix of everything. Yeah. So all colors together is Ravi Teja for me.
Why? Is there something that the world doesn't know about Ravi Teja? that
He
you
is the most positive human being I have ever known in my life. I have never seen him sad even one day. And I feel like even if he has those low moments, if he does, he comes out of it very quickly. And he keeps telling me, life is too short, life is too short, just live it, just live it. So
I love that. What about Prithviraj Sukumaran?
Prithviraj, he's a green.
He's
You
a
know,
green?
like one of those people who you say like you're a green flag.
That is true.
He's a green
I
flag.
just met him again and I realized he's a green flag.
Yeah.
Absolute, also extremely supportive towards everybody, isn't
Yes, he's extremely talented. He's a great father, I think a great husband and a great actor. Like he's everything, so he's a green flag.
it? Guys, she's so good at this. I have to, of course, say Siddharth Malhotra.
Oh, Sid! Sid is like yellow.
Aww.
He's like the happy, chill, cool boy. Sweet boy.
But, like I said, you're pretty good at this.
Yeah.
I have to also say Disha.
Disha is fiery red, but we don't have fiery red. Like a redder than this would be Disha.
Fair. And why would you say? Is there something that the world doesn't know about Disha that you think one
I
might
think
say?
she's. I don't think you have seen her talk a lot in life, and I have spent time with her. And I think she's one of the most kind people that I know. She's really kind. Like she is very sweet, very kind, and I think our energies match, as you said, no, because we sort of bonded over the film. She's very positive and very nice. Like that's what I really like about. He's the colors have ended.
You would say any other color that's not here.
So I think Ajay sir would be like he's royal, so like purple. That he's a king and he doesn't know it.
Ooh,
Yeah.
listen, how good are you at this? I very particular Holi that you've played over these years that you remember and why. And of course, then tell everybody your message on Holi.
I think it was the first Holi that I celebrated in Bombay, which was with my friends in Bombay, which was very special because we were in another city and we celebrated it all together. So that was one very special Holi for me. We ate a lot and we danced a lot and it was a lot of fun. So that, and a special message for Holi would be, don't make it dirty, keep it holy. Yeah. रंग बरसे भीगे चुनर वाली रंग बरसे.
It's the OG song.
Yes.
But thank you. I had too much
Thank
fun.
you. Same
that
here.
you were playing, and we're going to show your hands a little bit.
Yes. Did you figure what I made?
Ladies and gentlemen, we're going to take.
Yeah.
But maybe you can dip your hand. I'm going to give you a little and just do this for our camera because happy Holi.
Happy Holi.
So much.
Thank you so much.
Happy
It was
Holi.
amazing. Thank you.
And
Same to you.
it's really been wonderful chatting with
Same,
you, and I wish
same.
you all the luck.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you.
Thank you.
Heart.
Heart.